Alright, so this is the head that I've created, and you may hear the servo turn every once in a while. It adjusts. I have a small amount of adjustment because it can only look up and down right now. So this is a servo for that axis. So you can look up and down, but you can't look side to side yet. I'm still kind of working on that because I don't know if I want the whole head to move side to side. It's a lot of weight here to be on this servo, which is kind of a smaller servo. I probably need to get one that's a little bit more powerful. But this camera does facial tracking, and then the servo controls the head itself. And the head pretty much is just some light canisters. I found that I thought were like really pretty neat, and I kind of gutted them out. I'm gonna work on like what I want to put in here because I'm not really sure. I thought maybe some IR sensors and then some lights around it, kind of like just to kind of give it a little luminescent look. So I don't know. One of the other things is for the piece right here, which would be the mouth. I've got to build a box for this, or find a box. Basically, I want to mount it about right here, and it will have these LEDs, probably the white ones or either the red ones, that'll run kind of across, and that way any audio coming from the robot as the robot is answering from the voice recognition, when it does answers, the lights will blink almost like it's talking. So that's another thing I got to work on later, but I've got the boards and stuff to do it. It's just basically wiring. I'm still waiting on so much stuff to come in the mail. Just doing what I can. But yeah, so this is like beta 1 of the head. So kind of just like mocking things up and getting an idea. That's the facial recognition that's running right now, and it basically is running on the little computer. This is the small laptop that I bought, which is actually pretty nice for what it is. I'll have to make a video on the actual laptop itself because it's really cool for the price, and it's running Windows 10. You know, it's got a little bit of drive space, not tons, but enough, and it's a pretty powerful machine, so I was really surprised. But yeah, I just messed around. I got the voice recognition working. Everything seems to work. Wiko, play message.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
So, just goofing around with things like that. I got other voice activation things going, and I can play MP3s directly back, so I can have pre-programmed things that play in MP3 format, because that's basically this help me file here. It's just an MP3, so when I fire off that command, it plays the MP3. So I could literally have it do whatever, which I'm gonna probably have a couple little because I kind of, its head kind of looks like Johnny Five-ish, so I'm probably gonna like have a couple of his things from the movie in there, but we'll get that when we get there. So coming along though, coming along slowly. So yeah, the tracking works really good too. I mean, it slowly adjusts. I only have like a small amount of movement set because I don't want to put too much stress on this servo motor. So it does what it does, though. It works pretty good, so I'm happy with it. Alright, so we are going to close this one out, and we'll talk about some other stuff once I get a little bit further into it. Alright, you guys take it easy. Peace.